Hello folks, welcome back. It's What's for Supper Wednesday night. Tonight we're going to be having a smoked barbecue tenderloin. What we'll need is one tenderloin, some mustard, apple juice, whatever seasoning you desire, and some butter. I'll be showing you how I'll be using the butter here in just a few minutes. Alrighty, let's get started. Alright, I'm going to put some mustard on here. Sound like we're about out. See what I can do with that first. It shouldn't take a lot there for this little cut of meat. I'll be putting it on the smoker, and it won't take too long on the smoker. You're only supposed to let this marinate for 2 to 3 hours, and probably by the time I get this done, it'll probably just be 2 hours for it. But it shouldn't take it too long to cook. I think what I looked at is only supposed to be an hour or so, I think. Alright, now we'll be using this cherry cola rub. Did you get that on camera, Mom?
Yep.
Okay. Now let's just open it up. Just want to make sure everything's coated with your seasoning. Make sure you get, if it's little crevices there, make sure you get it all seasoned. Just make sure you get it all seasoned up. Roll it over here and see. Alrighty, I'll be back here in a minute and I'll show you what I'm going to do with the butter. Alright, I'm going to take this apple juice here. Now the other half of this apple juice isn't going to go to waste. It'll be sitting in the pan. It'll be marinating with the meat. Now, we don't usually use parquet, but this time we're out of butter. Alright, I run out of the cherry cola rub. So I'm going to use some of this Uncle Yammy's. It's pretty good to put on stuff. Hold on, let me get it. Get this handy dandy utensil here. Now you see the butter isn't, or the parquet isn't melting good with the stuff. That's okay. It'll be going in the meat however it is. Alrighty folks. I don't know what happened to the audio clip on this one. It just sounded a little bit garbled up, so I just wanted y'all to be able to hear me. So all we're doing is we're just injecting the apple juice and the Uncle Yammy's and the butter. I hope that butter got injected into it, but if it didn't, it was just sitting around it there. But so far so good. It turned out pretty good, but I'll let you watch to the end. I didn't need all that for the injector, so pour that out there. I'll pour the apple juice in. Just let it soak up with it. It's already tender, but injecting it made it a little bit more tender. I'll be back here in a few hours and we'll be taking it to the smoker. Alright, we got the grill to what temperature we need. We're going to sit it over here where it ain't on the heat. And we're going to let this cook till it's about 145 degrees or for about an hour. Alright, we'll be here whenever it comes off. Alrighty folks, we're going to be making some grilled corn here. We're going to take some out of our thing here that we froze last year. Unwrap it. Still a little froze, but it'll be going right onto the grill. But what we're going to do, we're going to lay it down right there. Just get it all over it there. Okay. Gonna take some Country Bob's here, Country Bob's seasoning. Just gonna put a little bit more butter on that side there. Alright. Just gonna wrap it up here, and then what you're going to do is you're going to poke holes in the top there where it can, I guess it'd just be like steaming, wouldn't it be, Mom?
Yep.
Just be like it's steaming the corn. Alright, I'm going to get all these done here and take them up to the grill, and we'll show you whenever we take it and the meat off. Alright, we're going to take it off the grill here. Got it up to temperature now. Just going to wrap it up real good. Alrighty, our corn isn't quite done yet. After we get this to resting a little bit, I'll come back out and check, and we'll be slicing this on the meat slicer, but we'll be showing you in the plate after we get done. Alright, Dad sliced some of it off here. We're going to slice it all up, but as you can see there, looking pretty good. How's it taste there, Dad?
Delicious.
Delicious? Alright, that's what I like to hear. As you can see, my hand had to sneak in there and get me a little piece to try too. Alright, we'll fix a plate up, and here in a minute, see you in a few minutes. Alrighty folks, here's our plate. Got our pork all sandwiched up here.
Got some onions.
Yep, got some, here's our corn we had on the grill. Got some butter on it, and here's some taters we made. Alrighty folks, I want to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like the video, subscribe, leave me a comment, and y'all have a blessed day, and we'll be seeing you Friday. Thank you again for watching. Alrighty folks, I just wanted to come on here and tell you here at the end there, we're always honest with you whenever we try something. The pork, taters, they was both good. I myself, I didn't care for the corn. I was hoping it would have a smoked taste and a, like, not crunchy, but like if you pick corn there, but steaming it like that there, it just made it soggy and soft. But Mom and Dad, they liked it. I myself, I just didn't really care for it. But I just want to tell you in case you try it there. But to me, it's just, I mean, that's what you get if you're going to steam it. But it wasn't what I was thinking. I think next time if I try it, I'm just going to not put it in any tinfoil and just grill it right on the grill. But I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, we'll see you Friday. Hey, it's Wednesday. Week's half over. We'll see y'all Friday. Thank you again for watching.